Hi everybody. In this lesson, I will talk about how to clone Java code from your Kotlin project. And here we have a Kotlin file, and inside this I import the library for Java. For example, it is Java package java.util and all of the class and function inside the util. So you can use a list. For example, this is a list of Java, not Kotlin, and you can clone it inside your Kotlin project. And you can also use array list and initializing an array list of integer and a list of integer, and you can copy from list to the array list like you work in Java. For example, in Kotlin you can go to the item inside the list, and you can call function add to add item into the array list, and then print out the array list content to the screen by print line array list here. And you can use some of the property and function inside a type of Java classes. And here you have the array list output is 1 2 3 4 5 sample. Okay, and you can use the field in Java. You have the field size, the field size of list, and this is a field in Java. You can call it as a property in Kotlin. And you can inside the for loop you can also assign the value to the value of list plus 1. So this is the setter in Java. When you call this a setter in Java like the setter in Kotlin, and this is a getter, you get the value, then this is a getter. And here in this line, get and set are called, or setter and getter are called. So after running, you see that the array list here, the new array list copy from the list and plus 1. Now you have a calendar. A calendar object is a singleton object in Java. You init the object only one time. You can init this only one time. And inside this I can call the field in Java. For example, first is first day of week. It's a field. It's a Java field, not a property in Kotlin. And after calling this, you can call this, and you can use a getter. It is the same. For example, you can add the same, and it is a setter for the field day, first day of week, and this is the same. You can use a getter, or the field has the same result. You can use it. Both of them is okay. Then you can right click and run this file after weather list. So you see that the first day of week is 1. And the first day of week is 1. Okay, it is the same when you use getter, get first day of week, or field first day of week. And all of the Java type in Kotlin is converted to a platform type. And the platform type, if you want to add to casting, you can also cast to using your as cast to a Java object. For example, java.lang.object, and this is the casting to cast from Java object to and you can use a Java object casting from the Kotlin object, and you can call the notify function of the object Okay, and this is the interface clonable interface in Java, and you can implement the interface in Kotlin using override. Inside this we have the clone. The clone function is function in the cloneable interface in Java. So you clone the new object and set the property as the first property, then return to the new object after cloning from the first object. So you can use this. You can initialize an object, a person with a name Huang, and you can create a clone person, clone from the person object, and you have to public this function by using public this function clone. So after that, you can print to the screen about the person and the clone person. These two object has the same content and different memory location. So we have after the add, we see the memory location in hexadecimal. In hexacode, we have the memory location for person and clone person. It is